Hello guys, my name is Utkarsh and you are watching Company 360. In this video, we will see about patent renewal process in India. So let's get started. The Indian Patent Act requires patent holders to pay a renewal or maintenance fees to keep their patents in effect for the full period of time. After the grant of patent, each patent holder will retain the patent by paying the renewal fees each year as set out in Schedule 1. There is no annual charge for the first 2 years. The renewal fees is due from the third year onwards. In the case that the renewal fees is not charged, the patent shall be terminated. The patentee shall have the option of paying the renewal fees per year, or he also may pay the lump sum amount. Unlike other countries, patents in India are issued for a term of 20 years from the date of filing of the application. The first renewal fees is payable before the end of second year of the patent, which is essentially the beginning of third year of the patent. Subsequently, the renewal fees shall be paid before the expiry of the preceding year of the patent. Now let us see the patent renewal process. When a patent is granted for an invention in India, the next vital step is to ensure that it is renewed regularly and unceasingly. This can be done by the payment of renewal fees diligently during the lifetime of the patent, that is 20 years. The payment of renewal fees is done to the Indian Patent Office before the expiration of the relevant year. For example, the renewal fees of 5th year has to be paid before the expiration of 4th year from the date of patent. The renewal fees is payable at the expiration of 2nd year from the date of patent and each succeeding year. The patentee can even pay advance renewal fees for 2 years or more as per the Indian Patents Act. For the payment of renewal fees, the patentee has to quote the relevant patent number, date of the patent and year in respect of which the renewal fees is being paid in order to make the renewal payment request. In case of patent of addition, no renewal fees is required to be paid and the fee payment schedules remains the same as of the main patent. But in case the patent of addition becomes an independent patent, it shall follow the guidelines of an independent normal patent. There is a provision of extension up to 6 months if the prescribed penalty fees is paid by the patentee for the renewal. If the renewal fees is not paid within the extension period, the patent ceases to exist and passes on to the public domain. Another important point to remember is that if the patent is granted later than 2 years from the date of filing of application, the pending fee payment has to be made within a period of 3 months from the date of patent grant as mentioned in the patent register. Now let's see, what if your patents get lapsed? What is the process of restoration of lapsed patents? The restoration of the patent lapsed is a relatively complex, time-consuming and costly process. In order to re-establish the patent, the holder must submit the Form 15 within 18 months from the date on which the patent expires. A 1-month extension may be sought under the Patent Act, which is on the discretion of controller. In addition to the form, the claimant must also give sufficient proof to show that non-payment of renewal fees was unintentional. Proof can be in the form of letter, a copy of a document, or an act of law. The detail received by the patent holder is then reviewed by the controller, who determines if the non-payment authority was legitimate or unintentional. However, any person concerned may object to request for restoration by filing Form 14 together with a fee within 2 months from the date of publication of the request for restoration. In such a case, both the patentee and the opponent shall have the opportunity to be heard before the controller decides the case. So that is it for this video guys. I hope you understood the patent renewal process in India. Do let us know what you think in the comment section below. And if you require any sort of legal consultation, you can email us or call us at the given number. Our counsel would be happy to help you. So thank you again for watching the video and I'll meet you in the next one. Bye bye.